Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about NHPC Apprentice Jobs Notification 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip watch the video till the end. Before going to the complete details of this notification, let's see the overview. The organization that has released this notification is National Hydroelectric Power Corporation for the Postgraduate Apprentice and ITI Apprentice, and total 64 post vacancies are released in this notification, and the applications has already started, and the applications will be closed by 15th February 2023, and the mode of application is online as well as offline, and the duration of training is 1 year, and the selection process will be based on shortlisting followed by an interview. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website nhpcindia.com. Here we can see the vacancies. For the postgraduate apprentice, there are 16 post vacancies, and for the post ITI apprentice, there are 48 post vacancies. So total 64 post vacancies. Coming to the educational qualifications, for the postgraduate apprentice, candidates must have completed their graduate engineering or BTech in respective discipline, which will be of 4-year course. And for the post ITI apprentice, candidates should have completed their ITI in respective trade. Coming to the stipend details, for the postgraduate apprentice, candidates will receive 9,000 per month as stipend. And for the post ITI apprentice, the stipend will be given to the candidates as per the norms of Apprenticeship Act. Coming to the age limit, all the candidates who are applying for this apprentice job should be between 18 to 30 years. Coming to the selection process, all the eligible candidates will be shortlisted and will be issued a call letter through the mail for an interview. And in that mail, you will also get intimation of date and time and venue of the interview. And the selections of candidate will be made on the basis of percentage of marks obtained in the qualification. And the weightage for final selection is the educational qualifications will have weightage of 20% and technical qualification will have 40% and personal interview will have 40% of weightage for final selection. All the selected candidates are required to submit a medical fitness certificate issued by the district civil surgeon or equivalent authority before the engagement as apprentice trainee. So this is the brief information of NHPC Apprentice Jobs Notification, and here you can see the address to which you have to send your application form. Hope this video is useful for you. For more details, you can download the official notification through the link which we had provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.